Hello, this is Niranjan. Welcome back to Official Language Channel. Now, in this class, today we would like to discuss a brief nutshell about sentences in double objects. How to transfer the sentences, double object sentences, convert into passive voice. In this class, we'll learn. Of course, though the examinations are cancelled, any state or Telangana or Andhra, whatever the examinations are cancelled, but the subject is very important. I think that those people who have been watching my videos, uh, this is the very important. What you can the subject which try to understand every day, even though examinations are cancelled. I hope that I think you can understand my. That is my concept. Okay. Now in this class we discuss how the double object sentence converted to passive voice. Now we learn. Here Ramesh presented Geeta a gift. Ramesh presented Geeta a gift. Now you see here the Ramesh is a subject and presented, this is V2 in simple past tense. We find here the sentence Geeta, this is object, and a gift is also an object. Now this is indirect object, and a gift is direct object. Geeta is indirect object, a gift is direct object. For example, when we delete this one, Geeta, when the word is deleted, Ramesh presented a gift. A gift was presented by Ramesh. That's why whenever you find here the name of the person are pronouns like me, him, her, them, such kind of pronouns are nouns. When, for example, Geeta is a noun. When you find the pronouns or a noun, we find, here in this place, what we can say, after the verb, that is considered as indirect object. I hope that you can understand. After that, direct object, a gift. How to convert or transfer this sentence into passive voice, now we learn. You see here, first take this indirect object, now writing Geeta. In passive voice, after the subject, helping verb must be placed. Because this is in the past tense. In past tense, the helping verbs are was, were. Geeta is singular, that's why the helping verb was. Geeta was presented. What Geeta presented? What did Geeta present? A gift. Now you can ask some questions. What and who? Who presented Geeta? What presented? What did Geeta present? A gift. Geeta was presented a gift. By Ramesh. So this is the indirect object. When we convert as a subject, indirect object is converting as a subject, Geeta. In passive voice, after the subject, the helping verb is to be placed according to the tense. Because this is the tense is simple past tense. In simple past tense, helping verbs are was, were. That's why the subject is singular. That's why we have taken the helping verb was. After that, V3 has placed. Geeta was presented a gift, because Geeta already written here. Geeta was presented a gift by Ramesh. So this is the first answer, and we go for second answer. So here now I will write here. Otherwise I will erase this one. Otherwise I will write here itself. See. So next, the next indirect object, a gift. Indirect object, a gift. Please try to understand because here something congesting. I hope that you can understand. A gift. Indirect object has to be written as a subject. A gift. So appropriate helping verb gift was. Appropriate helping verb gift was, because the past tense and the past tense helping verbs was were. A gift was. After that V3 presented. A gift was presented. Here see who was presented, like who did who did present the gift? Ramesh. Okay, so a gift was presented. After that we have to write here is preposition to. After that we have to write a preposition to. This is very important. While writing direct object in passive voice, after that is preposition follows appropriate verbs. Already I told in the last video, especially the verbs which follows or the prepositions follows the verbs. I think those people who have been watching my videos, please check once again the previous video. A gift was presented to Geeta. A gift was presented to Geeta by Ramesh. A gift was presented to Geeta by Ramesh. Once again, let me explain. A gift, the direct object, we have written as a subject. After that, appropriate helping verb according to the tense. After that, V3 form, whatever the verb is V3 and V2 becomes V3 to Geeta, because gift already written. That's why presented to Geeta by Ramesh. So this is the second answer in the especially in the direct object. Now you see in this sentence, Prasad teaches us English. Prasad teaches us English. Now in this sentence, Prasad subject and teaches is V1 as object, English is object. How to find the object? Last class I told you how to find the object. If the object is a person or a place or a thing or a pronoun, if the object place when you find there, if it is a person or a place or a thing or pronoun, that is objects. Otherwise you can say that. What does Prasad teach? You can ask a question like this. You can find out the, what you can say, the object. What does Prasad teach? What does Prasad teach? English. Whom? You can ask whom does Prasad teach? To us. To us. That is us here. Okay. So that is we can find this is the best way to find out the object. Otherwise, in the object place, whenever you find place or person or thing or a pronoun, that is an object. Considered as object. And now writing answer. So take one first us. Us here we can take we. After that, appropriate helping verb we are, because the verb is the present tense. The helping verbs are am, is, are. Because the subject is plural, that's why the appropriate helping verb are. We are taught. We are taught, because V1 becomes V3. We are taught. Already we completed. We are taught what we taught English. We are taught English. We are taught English by Prasad. This is the answer. Shall we go for another? Okay. So this is English. English. Appropriate helping verb is, because English is a subject. Singular. That's why appropriate helping verb is. English is. After that V3. So V1 becomes V3. Taught. Same, whatever you are writing in the first sentence, in second sentence and second answer in passive voice are the same. Appropriate helping verb, subject, after that V3 form. Same, two sentences are same here. After there is a slight difference, that is preposition. Nothing other than that. English is taught to us. Whatever is there, just write down taught to us. Here preposition. English is taught to us by Prasad. So this is the answer. Now go for another sentence. My grandfather told me a story. Told me a story. My grandfather is a noun or a subject. This is told is the V2 and me object. A story is object. We find in this sentence two double objects are there. The first object, whenever you find the first object, that is indirect object. Why? Because when you find the place or a person, when you find the person or a pronoun, you find here this is indirect object. After that, whatever the thing, that is, direct object. I hope that you can understand. Please try to understand very clear. First take one. Indirect object. I. Me. Writing as I. After that, appropriate helping verb. So told here I was, because in the past tense verb you find here the appropriate helping verbs was verb. That's why I was told. I was told. V3 also told. I was told a story. What I was told? A story. I was told a story. I was told a story by my grandfather. By my grandfather. So this is the answer. Next, see, a story can write the direct object. A story was, because the story is singular. Now we are writing the tense in past tense, and this is the helping verb was. A story was told. After that, same here. Same whatever you are writing, same first sentence and second sentence also same writing. We are following. A story was told to. Write to. To whom? That is to me. A story was told to me by my grandfather. This is the passive voice. She offered me a cup of coffee. Here the subject offered is a V2, me object, a cup of coffee object. Now this is indirect object and direct object. Now writing indirect object. I. We are writing as I. I was, because offered given it is a past tense and past tense helping verbs was verb. That's why appropriate helping verb was. I was offered. After that V3. I was offered. What offered? A cup of coffee. I was offered a cup of coffee by her. By her. After that shall go for that one. A cup of coffee. A cup of coffee was, because past tense, writing past tense, because offered is the verb is given. A cup of coffee was offered. V3 after the helping verb V3. A cup of coffee was offered to me. A cup of coffee was offered to me by her. So this is the second answer in passive voice. This is the way we have to transfer the sentences. When you find the double objects in the sentence, we can easily transfer into passive voice. I think there is no any typical situation or a typical thing we can't find here. I hope that. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Take care. And next class we will come back in another a topic or another sentences or the examples. Thank you very much.